Vinay from Sri Siddhaganga Public School, Kudal Sangam. Students, today I plan to teach you a new lesson, that is at the zoo. So what is the name of the lesson? At the zoo. Students, have you ever visited the zoo? And what do we see in the zoo? And can you name some zoo animals? So before the lesson, let us enjoy the poem Just Me.
Eight pink fingers standing up tall, two little ears to head mommy call, one little nose that I can blow, 10 pink toes all in a row, two little thumbs that wiggle up and down, two little feet to stamp on the ground, hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. Eight pink fingers standing up tall, two little ears to head mommy call, one little nose that I can blow, 10 pink toes all in a row, two little thumbs that wiggle up and down, two little feet to stamp on the ground, hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me.
Have you enjoyed the poem? Okay, now let me start the lesson at the zoo. Amit and his friends go to the zoo. Let's find out what they see there. They see lion in the cage. Okay, then Amit, what's in that cage? Amit asked his friend Anandi, what is in that cage? So Anandi, it's a cat. So Anandi answered, looking at the cage, it's a cat. I think she has never seen a lion before. So she says it's a cat. Then Amit, no, it's not. Amit replied, no, it's not a cat. Then Anandi, is it a tiger? Anandi asked him that, is it a tiger? Then Amit, no, it's a lion. See, Amit answered, no, it's not a tiger. It's a lion, the king of the jungle. So, what is in the zoo or what is in the cage? There is a lion in the cage. Children, when you visit the zoo, you see the animals which you know and unknown. When some of the animals looking new to you, what do? You ask your parents which animals they are. Am I right? No? Okay, let's go to the next slide. We can see two characters, Priya and Raja. She is Priya and he is Raja. Let's see the conversations. Priya, what's on the tree? Then Priya asks his friend Raja, pointing towards top of the tree. So there is something on the tree. So she asked him, what is on the tree? Then Raja, I can see. So Raja says, I can see it properly. It may hide behind branches of the tree. He said to Priya. He is unable to see properly which is on the tree. Then Priya, take one hint. It has wings. See. Then Priya gives a hint to him to tell the answer. So hint means here a slight indication which is near to the answer. We say clue, no? Like that. So she gives a hint or clue. What was hint? It has wings. So she gives a hint as it has a wings. Wings means one of the movable feather by means of which a bird or bat or insect is able to fly. So every bird, insects or bat, they have wings. So these wings help to them to fly in the sky. So have you understood, my dear children? Okay. Next, Raja. Is it a butterfly? Then Raja guessed and answered doubtfully, but not sure. Is it a butterfly? Then Priya. No, that's not correct. So Priya cleared his doubt that it is not a butterfly. Raja. Is it a bee? Then Raja tried to answer correctly. Is it a bee? Then Priya. No, it's not a bee. It is a bird. It's a bird. So Priya concludes, no, it's not a bee and butterfly. It's a bird. So children, what is on the tree? There is a bird on the tree. Let me switch on next slide. Here also you can see two characters, Rima and Rohit. Okay. Rima and Rohit, one day they went to park for play. They played and they feels tired. So finally they wanted to eat something. So let us see their conversation. Rima, let's eat something. So Rima invites him to eat something. So Rohit, I have an apple. So Rohit says, I have an apple. Who has apple? Rohit has an apple. Rima, what's the color of the apple? See, Rima wanted to know the color of the apple and asks Rohit, what is the color of the apple? Children, I am sure your KG teachers has taught you color of all the fruits. Correct, no? So, the Rohit, he answered red. So, Rohit answered the color of the apple is red. Then Rima, I have a yellow banana. Let's eat it. So Rima eats the banana and throws the peel on the floor. Rima says, I have a yellow banana. What is the color of the banana? Yellow. So she wants to eat banana. She peels the peel of banana and throws on the floor instead of in the dustbin. Rohit, it's a bad habit. Pick it up. So Rohit convinced her that it's throwing a banana peel on the floor is a bad habit. It's not a good manner. So he asks her to pick the banana peel and put into the dustbin. Rima, laughing, I have no time, runs and steps on the peel and slips. So Rima, laughing, she says, I have no time. She says that she has no time to put it into the dustbin. Children, is it a good manner to throw the peel of banana on the floor? No, it's not good habit, or it's not a good manner. So whatever the waste things, we should put into the dustbin without throwing anywhere. Correct, no? So she says, I have no time, and runs, and she steps on the peel of banana, and suddenly she slips and fell down. So she hurts. Then Rohit helps her to get up. Now pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Soon Rohit rushed towards her to get up, and he helps her to get up and he says to her, now pick it up and put it on the dustbin. Now she realizes her mistake, and she learnt a lesson that what happens if she throw the peel on the floor. So Rima, you are right. Where is the dustbin? So Rima commits her mistakes. She agrees her mistakes and asks him that where is the dustbin. Then it's there, Rohit, it's there. Read what is written on it. So then Rohit pointing towards the dustbin and asks her to read what is written on it. So Rima she reads loudly, keep the place clean. So Rima reads loudly, keep the place clean. So children, what is written on the dustbin? Keep the place clean. So we should not make the place dirty by throwing chocolate wrappers, pieces of papers, or any other waste garbages. And always we should keep the place clean. So children, I hope you have understood this story. Thank you.